Hello and welcome to this full body stretch routine. This is a short and simple practice to release tension and gently stretch your whole body. When you are ready, come and join me in comfortable seated position. Place your hands on your knee, lengthen your spine and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to settle in. Tune in your body with your breath. Take a slow deep inhale through the nose. Fill up the lungs. Exhale out. Again, slow deep inhale. Exhale completely. Let go of all the tension. Slowly open your eyes. We start our class with neck movement. So tilt your head to the right side. Extend your left arm out to the side. Stay here and feel the side stretch in your neck, down to your arm and shoulder. If you would like, you can take support of your right hand. Hold here. Slowly come back. Now tilt your head to the left side. Extend your right arm out. Hold here. Feel the stretch along the right side of the neck, all the way down to your fingertips. If you would like, you can take support of your left hand. Hold here. Slowly come back. Now extend your both arms at shoulder level. Make a fist with your hand, thumb inside, and start to roll out your wrist. Keep your hands straight and strong. Focusing on your breath. Slowly change the direction. Slowly release. Now place your left hand behind, right hand on your left knee. With inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, twist your body to left side. Look over your left shoulder. Pause here and feel a gentle twisting through your spine and shoulder. One deep breath in, breath out. Slowly back to the center. Now place your right hand behind, left hand on your right knee. With inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, twist your body. Hold here. Find a steady breath. One more breath in. Breath out. Slowly back to the center. Now place your left hand beside you. With inhale, reach your right arm up. Lengthen your spine. As you exhale, lean to the left side. For gentle side stretch, keep your chest open. If you would like, you can look over to the right side. Make sure do not lift your head. Hold here. Slowly back to the center. Place your right hand beside your hip. With inhale, lift your left arm up. As you exhale, lean to the right side. You can look over to the left. Hold. Finding a gentle side stretch in your body. Slowly back to the center. Now uncross your leg. Come into table tuck position. Your hands under shoulder, knee under hip. Your spine neutral. And start to move your body in figure of 8 like an infinity shape to warm up the wrist and spine. Focusing on your breath. Switch direction, reverse the figure of 8. Keep the movement through your spine. Slowly back to the center. With your next inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, look forward. As you exhale, round your spine. Push the floor away, tuck your chin to the chest. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale. Continue this 2 more times. Feel the movement through your spine. One last time. Slowly back to the neutral spine. Now walk your hands forward for the puppy pose. Make sure your hip is over the knee. Sink your chest down. You can rest your forehead or chin on the mat. Stay here for deep breath. Feel the stretch through your arm, shoulder and chest. Hold for one more breath. Slowly lift yourself up, coming back to tabletop. Now tuck your toes, lift your knee off the mat, send your hips back, coming into downward facing dog. Relax your head between your arms. Lengthen your spine by sending your hips back. You can keep soft bend in the knee and start to pedal out your leg one by one. Feel the stretch in your back of the leg. Stop paddling. With your next inhale, lift your right leg up. As you exhale, step it forward between your hand. Lower your back knee, coming into low lunge. You have option, you can stay here or you can place your hands on your knee. Slightly lift your chest up. Hold here, focusing on your breath. And try to sink your hip down and finding a stretch in your left hip flexor. Keep your breath slow and steady. Hold for one more breath in. Breath out. Slowly lower your hands down. Now extend your front legs, shift your hip back. Flex your foot for half split. You can keep soft bend in the knee if it feels good. Hold here. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. You have option, you can stay here, and if you would like to add some movement, you can flex your foot. So when you inhale, toes pointing forward. As you exhale, flex your foot. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly reband your front knee. Shift your right foot to the left side. Coming into pigeon pose, lower your chin. Front knee doesn't need to be 90 degree. You can bring your foot close to you. Option to stay here, or you can walk your hands forward. You can rest your forehead on the mat. Hold here. Find a steady breath. Release the tension from the hip. Feel the stretch in your outer hip. Slowly lift yourself up. Now coming back to the downward facing dog. We will switch with your next inhale. Lift your left leg up. As you exhale, step it forward between your hand. Lower your back knee, your front knee 90 degree. You can place your hands on your knee if you would like and hold here. Try to sink your hip down as much as you can. Feel the stretch in your right hip flexor. Hold here, focusing on your breath. One more slow deep breath in. Breath out. Slowly lower your hands down, straight your front leg, flex your foot for half split. You can keep soft bend in the knee if it feels good. Hold here. Feel the stretch in your hamstring and calf. If it's quite intense for you, you can deepen your breath. Option to stay here, or if you would like add some movement, you can flex your foot with your inhale, toes pointing forward. Exhale, toes pointing back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly reband your front knee. Now slide your left foot to the right side, lower your chin, coming into pigeon pose. Again, you can bring your foot more close to you if that feels comfortable for you. Option to stay here or walk your hands forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. Pause here for few breaths. Release the tension from the hip. Feel the stretch in your outer hip and glute. Hold for one more deep breath in. Breath out. Slowly lift yourself up. Coming back to the downward facing dog. Pause here for one breath. Now, drop your knee on the mat, then chest and chin for Ashtanga Namaskar. Your hips lifting up. With your next inhale, shift your body forward, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back, coming into Cobra pose. Feel the opening through your chest and gentle stretch in your lower back. Hold here. If you would like, you can keep soft band in the elbow and press through the top of the feet to the mat for support. Hold for one more breath in. Breath out. Now press through your hands and your hips back, coming into child pose. You have option, you can keep your knee together or open them wide. Walk your hands forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. Relax your whole body. Settle down here for a few moments. Find a space of quietness. Feel the effect of your practice. One more deep breath in, breath out. Slowly lift yourself up. And here we go. I hope you enjoy the class and thank you so much for giving this time and practicing with me.